Today we're taking a look at the S.I.G Sauer Swiss military issue cleaning kit. This Swiss Army issue cleaning kit cleans a 30 to 50 caliber rifle or pistol. Comes with your handle. You just attach whatever amount of cleaning rods you need to fit the length of your rifle or revolver. All the fittings on these rods are brass and extremely durable. Kit comes with 3 different size brushes, a mirror to check your bore, 2 containers of grease, and a tool to remove bullets that are lodged in the barrel.